First of all, take the insulated copper wire and any round object. Roll the copper wire on the round body. Make 30 turns. And it will look something like this. Now take more copper insulated wire and roll it on the round body. After 20 turns, make a fold of the copper wire. Then again roll 20 times. It will become our transmitter with 3 terminals. Now take an LED bulb and attach it with the 2-terminal copper coil. Take a transistor. Attach the resistor with the middle terminal of the transistor. And attach the copper wire with the transistor according to the circuit diagram. Attach the battery with the connector and then your wireless circuit is ready. It's working.